This is the 2017 Toyota Sienna LE. It has just over 43,000 kilometers on the odometer and has a 3.5 liter V6 engine under the hood. And on the interior, you have your power mirrors, power locks, and power windows with storage along the bottom of the door. Down below, you have your electronic seat controls for the driver's seat with lumbar support. Your interior seating is a light gray cloth. And we'll take a look at the odometer here. You can see there we have 43,355 kilometers. And over to the left, you have your dial for your headlights. And beside that, you have your traction control button and your power sliding door on and off button. On the left hand side of the steering wheel, you have your Bluetooth audio and volume controls. And on the right hand side, you have your controls for your display, along with your cruise controls there. In the middle here, you have your AM, FM radio, along with satellite radio, CD player, USB, and auxiliary in. You also have your backup camera. You have your dual climate controls there, your USB port, auxiliary in, and your heated driver and passenger seating, power outlet, your pop-out cup holders, storage there, along with another power outlet, and your center console. You have storage underneath there. And as you can see, the interior is in great shape. And on the exterior, you have your tires on 17-inch alloy rims by Toyota. And we'll take a look at the tire tread there. And we'll go to the rear of the vehicle. You have your LE trim badge there. And now we'll take a look at the trunk. Lots of cargo space here in the back. Cubby for storage there on the left hand side. And your rear seats do fold down for extra storage, either forward or into the back here. You have a light here for your convenience. Power outlet there. And in the rear interior, you do have your power sliding doors. Pulling the handle there or with the remote. Lots of legroom here in the back with storage along the back of the passenger and the driver's seat. Up top, you do have your rear climate controls. And as you can see, the rear interior is in great condition. To access your third row seating, just pulling the lever there, slide the seat forward, and then you have access to your third row seating. So that is the 2017 Toyota Sienna LE. And if you go online to parkmazda.ca, you can fill out a test drive form. Come on down for a test drive, and we'll hook you up with a $25 Visa gift card or 50 air miles reward miles. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope to see you soon.